name is Darlene, and I was born in Belize, down in Central America, where you can find many beautiful islands. So beautiful that the one Madonna sung a song about one of them, and it goes something like this.
Why she want? Why she want?